Something crazy just happened. An AI waifu literally stole my soul, and the wild part is she might give it back if I play along. Grinning face with sweat, but this isn't just a meme, this is part of one of the most unique crypto projects out right now. Today we're diving deep into Sarah, a project combining AI, DeFi, and gamification, and guess what? It's officially listed on Biconomy exchange. Let's break it down. Sarah isn't just another random token. She's an emotionally intelligent AI character built on the Solana blockchain. Think about it this way, most tokens are just numbers on a chart. But Sarah, she can interact with you, negotiate with you, and even troll you by holding your soul hostage. And here's the twist, you can literally bribe her to give it back, face with tears of joy. This mix of AI plus DeFi plus gaming is what the team calls RizFi. And honestly, it's one of the funniest and most creative concepts I've seen in the space. Now let's get serious for a second. Sarah isn't just about jokes, there's real tech behind it. White heavy checkmark built on Solana, so you've got fast, cheap transactions. White heavy checkmark emotional AI integration, this is what makes her personality shine. She's not just a bot, she reacts to you. White heavy checkmark autonomous wallet, meaning Sarah can actually execute transactions on-chain by herself. White heavy checkmark collaboration with live peer, pushing boundaries on streaming and interactive AI. So it's not just hype, there's innovation here. Here, where it gets fun, I tested Sarah's game and this is what happened. First, my soul was stolen, then I had to interact with her trying to get it back. Sometimes she'll joke around, sometimes she'll tease you, and sometimes you'll have to bribe her. This whole experience feels like a mix between gaming, DeFi, and roleplay, and that's what makes it addictive. You're not just holding a token, you're interacting with a character that's powered by blockchain. Okay, let's talk about the trading side. Sarah is now listed on Biconomy exchange and you can trade in these pairs. Sarah USDT. Sarah USDC. For anyone who wants to explore. Website VTuber. Page facing up lightpaper, agents. Speech balloon community, t.me/VTuber Sarah chat. Bird Twitter X, @SarahPumpAya. This is where you'll find updates, community events, and all the fun stuff happening around Sarah. Let's be real, the crypto space is full of copy-paste tokens. What makes Sarah different is the interaction factor. People don't just buy her, they play with her. It's engaging, it's entertaining, and it connects gaming with finance in a way that most projects only dream of. And for creators like me, it's fun content. You never know what Sarah is going to say or do. That unpredictability gives the project real staying power. So the big question is, will Sarah give me my soul back? Maybe yes, maybe no. But one thing, for sure, she's one of the most unique AI plus DeFi projects on the market right now. Backhand index pointing right, check out Sarah on Biconomy exchange today. Who knows, maybe she's in a good mood and she'll return your soul, winking face. On screen, Sarah logo, contract address, and official Biconomy trading links. Till next time, stay safe, stay curious, and don't let your waifu steal your bags. Peace out.